Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of Samsung's future with an exclusive preview of the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's unfold the details. In the ever-evolving landscape of foldable phones, Samsung's Z Fold series has been a trailblazer. As challengers emerge, all eyes are now on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, expected to make its grand entrance in the summer of 2024. But what can we expect from this next-gen marvel? The release date is shrouded in anticipation. Looking at Samsung's recent moves, the Z Fold 6 could follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, surprising us with an early launch, possibly in July. No longer bound by traditional events, Samsung might unveil it alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6 at a dedicated Unpacked event. Now, let's talk about what really makes the Z Fold 6 tick: its hardware and design. Despite the secrecy, whispers from Samsung's HQ suggest wider outer screens, a departure from the slim and skinny design. Leaks from reliable sources like Naver hint at new aspect ratios, possibly a wider outer screen, a feature users have longed for. Internally, the Z Fold 6 is set to be a powerhouse, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a result of Samsung's multi-generation deal with Qualcomm. This chip promises not only performance but also AI smarts, aligning with the ever-evolving tech landscape. Memory and storage options might stay consistent, while a potential increase in screen size could impact battery capacity. Now, let's dream a bit. What's on our wish list for the Z Fold 6? Killer cameras. Foldable phones deserve top-tier cameras. We're hoping Samsung steps up its game, competing with the best traditional smartphones. Shorter, wider outer screen, a wishful desire for a more user-friendly design. A wider outer screen, as seen on the OnePlus Open, could enhance usability, making the Z Fold 6 a more versatile device. Room for an S Pen. The Z Fold 5 supports the S Pen, but it's time to include it in the box. A secure space for the stylus would be a game-changer, elevating the Z Fold SAXS productivity. As we eagerly await the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the possibilities are limitless. What features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive tech insights.